and scoot over, give those emergency crews.
Okay guys, so I brought this vacuum, brand new from Amazon, for over $200, as you can see. And it is horrific. It is the worst vacuum I've ever had in life. It's plugged up right here. As you can see, I got my Wi-Fi plugged up there too, and it works. But this vacuum do not work. Like, I don't know what's going on with it, but sometimes, like, when I push the button, it won't even come on. Look, and it's plugged up. As I was vacuuming, it just cuts off. As you can see, I placed some little food there because this suction don't even work, and it won't lock in. It just comes right out as I'm moving it. It just comes out. So not sure what's going on and why Amazon is selling this product so high, but at this point, this is ridiculous. Not only that, it was late, and then my blow dryer was late as well. See that? I ordered it. It was supposed to be rose pink, and it was late as well. And like, this is just wild. I paid so much money for them to send me my items late and it be the wrong stuff. This is what I paid for. The rose colored one. Like, and this is just so disappointing because I'm not used to Amazon's products just being like that. Like, what is this? And I try to be so nice talking to the people trying to get a refund, and this is what you get. I can try it in a different plug and it still won't work. Like, I don't know if it's defective, but it just cuts on and off. And it's just like, wow, what did I pay all that money for? Like, I'm on to have just paid $30 for a cheap one. But yeah, so I'm not sure what they're going to do to accommodate me, but I will definitely keep you guys updated and posted. But for me, it's definitely not worth, that much money for this sweeper. And not only that, it was like late and I really needed it. So yeah, have a good day.